cough drop. And I need a cough drop. Man, please give me one. I've got a cough drop. They're really good. And there's helps to your throat and cough, but don't protect against diarrhea.